Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your ATM card. First, let's talk about activation. When you receive a new ATM card, it is crucial to activate it right away. You can typically do this at an ATM, through your bank's online portal, or by calling their customer service line. Always follow the specific instructions provided by your financial institution to ensure your card is ready for secure use. Connecting your ATM card to a digital wallet offers incredible convenience. You can easily add your card to services such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Simply open your preferred wallet application, select the option to add a new card, and either scan your card or manually enter the 16-digit number, expiration date, and security code. A quick verification step, often a one-time code, completes the process. Your ATM card is also perfect for online transactions. When making purchases or setting up subscriptions, you will typically need to provide the 16-digit card number, the expiration month and year, and the 3-digit security code, often called the CVV, found on the back. For added security, always ensure you are on a secure website and consider enabling two-factor authentication whenever available for your online accounts. Effectively managing your ATM card ensures its security and your peace of mind. Many banks allow you to set daily limits for both withdrawals and purchases, which can be a great security feature. Regularly review your account statements and transaction history for any unfamiliar activity. If your card is ever lost or stolen, contact your bank immediately to report it and prevent any unauthorized use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.